So I just picked up this 2006 VFR Honda Interceptor 800 from a buddy of mine out in St. Louis that I've been pestering about it for years. Good looking bike. Needs a few little things here and there. All in all, it's in pretty good shape. There's one really interesting feature on it. It's got a supercharger. So this is a 800cc motorcycle that develops about 180 horsepower, which is just hilarious. So let's fire it up and let you listen. Not your typical VFR sound. Looking forward to working on this puppy. That's going to be a lot of fun.